What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically though, in today's episode, we need to talk about the breaking news that is taking over the cryptocurrency space, and that is in regards to the breakout that is starting to take place. Just a couple of days ago, and pretty much just yesterday, we made a video talking about the fact, look, the breakout is starting. Be very careful as we are starting to see that rally to the upside begin. And as you guys can see, it was a huge opportunity to buy into it. We had a beautiful pennant flag formation forming here with a beautiful Elliott impulse wave forming. And as you guys can clearly see, if I pull up Bitcoin right here, that is exactly what we are doing across the board. You can see the beautiful textbook pennant flag breakout that we've been waiting for very patiently on Bitcoin. Here you can see here's the flag, here's the flag pole itself. I'm drawing a lot of that, but here's the flag pole, here's the actual flag itself, and then here is the confirmed breakout, the second we confirmed closure above this price ceiling, which was last night, a bit higher than expected here, but this is an opportunity to pretty much show us which general direction we're going to be moving to, especially with us retesting bottom support here. This is another aggressive move with expectations of a reversal back to the upside. So yes, we are going to see a bit of consolidation, but all in all, I'm a very strong believer we will be rallying to the upside here. Maybe we'll see a little bit of downside, but all in all, I do expect to see a major recovery across the board. And it's not just Bitcoin that we're seeing. There's a good chance this is foreshadowing big swings to come for XRP, as you guys can see here, what we've been tracking, as well as for Ethereum here, which hasn't broken out just yet. But I think we are literally seconds away, maybe even hours, minutes away from breaking out. And there's a lot of technical indicators that say that we are going to do so, which we'll go in depth about. As you can see, reversal pattern happening on the S&P 500, kind of expected here as markets are dipping lower, and we are starting to see this dip downwards. Yesterday's candle was closing bearish. Again, by no means was this surprising to me at all, and I'll go in depth as to what I mean by that in a second. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, yet again, I want to update you guys that there's only 5 days left to enter the 1000 XRP BYDFI giveaway. I've partnered with BYDFI, the exchange that we use here on the channel, the #1 cryptocurrency exchange, to give away 1000 XRP split between 10 lucky people. All you have to do is literally go onto today's video, go onto yesterday's video, whatever it is, click the first link right here, fill out this form. That's all you have to do. Fill out this form, follow the instructions, and you'll be entered to do the giveaway, and you will be more than likely, and you will have a chance of winning and you will have a chance of splitting the 1000 XRP prize pool. So with that being said, diving back into the technical analysis, pretty much what we want to look at here is in the past couple of days, we've been very much so honed in and focused on these pennant flag formations here. We can even look up what exactly is a pennant flag in cryptocurrency. You can see this is exactly what it is. It is exactly what we've been tracking here for a very long time on XRP and on a lot of these cryptocurrencies. You can see this is a bullish flag here, pennant flag, bull flag, whatever you want to call it here. But it's when we swing up inside of something, have this descending fractal, and we break through the confirmation, and it has a bullish trajectory here, a bullish target to the upside. You can see what these downward flags look like. Another term, downward flag, pennant flag, bull flag. There's so many different, formations. This is a bull flag pattern here, and this is a downward flag, but ideally they all have a bullish trajectory, textbook bullish here. And you can see this is exactly what is forming on Bitcoin here. Literally textbook definition of what is forming here. So with that being said, this is why we expected to see a rally to the upside. Well, what does this have to do with these other cryptocurrencies? We've been tracking this for a very long time here on the channel, dating back many days ago here. Going all the way back like 2 weeks ago, we've been following this, and we're finally starting to see that liftoff, which we've been waiting for. You can see it's taking place across most of the major cryptocurrencies. The market is back up above that $1.12 trillion global crypto market cap that we've had for a very long time, currently at 1.14, up 6%. Bitcoin's up almost 12% here. We have XRP is not up just yet, but I think that is for good reason. We're foreshadowing a run to happen here. Solana's up 10.4. It's really just Bitcoin that's really taking off, and Ethereum following suit. But you can see after a lot of this consolidation over the weekend and over the sideways movement here, we're finally seeing that rally after seeing a lot of flatline movement here. Jumping back in, you can see this is something that we've been tracking for quite some time. Yes, I'll go in depth about the rally here. This is obviously, in my opinion, foreshadowing runs that are going to happen in Ethereum and XRP, and I think we have the opportunity now early to get in on XRP and Ethereum here. Specifically, I want to jump back to the daily charts as we were just looking at the 4-hour here. You can see things are a little bit different on XRP than these other cryptocurrencies, but I believe we've had a bull flag forming here where this is the actual flagpole. Here's the flag itself, and then here's the breakout to the upside. We became overbought, so we saw a little bit of consolidation back down to moving average, and I believe once we confirm breaking through this price ceiling right here, we should be swinging back to the upside here, whether you want to call this a bull flag, I'm not entirely sure, or a downwards flag here. The second we confirm closure above here, which could happen today, that's when I believe we're going to have a position, a buy-in opportunity to the upside, but I'm going to time this and show you guys it in a different sense, where if we close above here, this is an aggressive buy-in, this is a moderate buy-in, and this is a conservative buy-in in regards to the risk factor here. Buying in here, we could easily see a rally to the upside and immediately reject downwards. Vice versa, we buy in here, we can easily rally upwards, reject downwards, but if we buy in here, there's a very high chance we'll be swinging very much so to the upside. Obviously, the more risk you put in, the more upside potential there is, and the further you wait, the less and more conservative it is with the less percentage, rewards or returns you can see here. But regardless, I am very much so bullish on here as an aggressive trade. This is when the opportunity would be a buy-in, which could happen today, but obviously you can see the rejection is currently taking place, so we're waiting for this to be confirmed. If we close above this today, then we can have that opportunity to leverage to the upside here as an aggressive trade. We have to just be patient, but these indeed are the 3 levels that we have to be waiting patiently for. Now, besides XRP, looking at XRP here, I want to look at these other cryptocurrencies, but first, yet again, BYDFI is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. This is where we bought into Bitcoin and where we will be buying into XRP. This allows you to trade Bitcoin right here. You can see it even allows you to trade XRP and all the other major cryptos. You can buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Literally everything you can think of is offered on BYDFI here, which is super freaking cool if you ask me. They even have a demo account, gives you 100 grand in Monopoly money to test your skills and get familiar with the website. They then even have right here, as you guys can see, a welcome rewards bonus. So when you sign up with the link down in the description below, you can earn up to $2,888 completely free by doing some of the same steps that are required to win the free 1,000 XRP giveaway. So make sure to check these out. Fill out the form down in the description. Sign up to BYDFI down below. You're actually losing and missing out on potential rewards by not actually taking a part in the BYDFI giveaways and signing up to the website here. But without further ado, looking at the Bitcoin foreshadowing breakout here, I believe that this is implying Ethereum is next to pop. Truly, it's what I think is going to happen here. We have a very similar movement here. We have the actual flag pole. You can see Ethereum has the same flag pole. We have Bitcoin's flag itself right here. We have Ethereum's flag itself right here. We have the Elliott impulse wave inside of it. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can see right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we are just confirming the breakout right above here. This was a more aggressive opportunity above the yellow band, but more specifically, we waited for the price ceiling to be broken, which exploded through it at 28,352. That was the buy-in opportunity for last night. That's what we took advantage of. That's where we bought in on Bitcoin here. That's what I can say. You can go back in all my videos here on the channel. Literally, pull up yesterday's video. You can see when I explained the buy-in opportunity would be on Bitcoin here. Pulling it up just so you guys can see it. Where are we? Slowly but surely moving into the Bitcoin charts. Here we go. And you can see we're on Ethereum here. Let's get to Bitcoin and you'll be able to see where I drew it. So Bitcoin's right here and you can see this is what we were expecting to see break. So we're expecting this to break right here. That's the opportunity right there. That's the resistance that needed to be broken in yesterday's video that we highlighted where we'd be buying in and longing to the upside. That's what we were patiently waiting for. So if we confirmed breakout from the pennant flag, you can see it right here. This resistance that I'm drawing in clear as day, as we highlighted in yesterday's episode, that would be the opportunity. I'm drawing it right now. You can see that's the resistance. We confirm that. That's the breakout to the upside. And that is exactly what happened, as you can see on the Bitcoin chart here. And I still think it's foreshadowing what's going to happen on Ethereum, because Ethereum, as of today, is retesting that resistance. So let me just remove a lot of this junk. You can see here with Ethereum, this is the next opportunity. If you missed out on Bitcoin buy-in, Ethereum would be right here. So if we can confirm closure above this resistance, which we're attempting to do today, if we can close tonight above here, candle ends in 11 hours and 27 minutes here, we can buy in with the expectations of a swing back to the upside here. This downwards flag has a bullish opportunity and a bullish outlook, and that's what we're patiently waiting for, not only on Ethereum, but Bitcoin foreshadowing that as well. The S&P, as expected, is dipping lower. I mean, it's funny because a small dip like this could send us down to 50 on the RSI, and then we could rally up again, and we could be swinging up like this, which would be absolutely insane, but it would be doing something that I was very conservatively expecting to see would take a long time. You can see right here, this resistance, this top here, is right at this level, which is past May. We have April, May, let's say June, July of 2025, 2 years from now is that top. We could hit that same top literally as early as the end of, this year, December. We could be hitting all-time highs much quicker than I had anticipated, which is pretty incredible if you ask me. So keep your eyes peeled. But I do think we're headed up, and I think we're bullish from here on out, so just keep that in mind. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.